building something for me, not for applause, not to prove anything, just for me. Every small step I take is part of something bigger, even when I can't see it yet. It's taking root beneath the surface. My voice has value, even when it struggles to be heard. My pace is my own, and it's enough. The right people will hear me, and when they do, they'll feel seen too. Because who I am, it's not about being loud. It's about being real. And I can do real because I am real. And this thing I'm building, it's mine. And it matters.